Welcome viewers to another video. Today we are going to discuss the three habits, actually the three tips that every tech savior should know about. Windows 11 is a very nice operating system, and to keep it smooth and productive, we should use these three tips to keep our Windows operating system smooth for all the time. So let's dive in. Tip number 1. Go to your start menu, do a right click and choose your terminal as admin. Your permission. This will open up your administrator command prompt here. Apply this DSIM command here and press enter. This deployment image servicing and management tool will clean up the image and restore its health. Just wait patiently to get this one completed. Once the process is 100% completed, the restore operation completed successfully message will come up. Now we will go to see the tip number 2. Write here command sfc /scan now and press enter. Please wait till this process gets 100% complete. Once this process 100% completes, you will receive a message like Windows resets protection didn't find any integrity violations. So you have to use these two tips regularly to clean up your system image file and keep it healthy. This will definitely save you a lot of time in making the system more productive and keeping away most of the errors and crashes that comes up here and there. So the last and final thing that I will recommend here is to use your antivirus regularly to do the quick scan, and if you find that something is not working as usual, then you go for the full scan. I am currently using third-party application to check my security and antivirus protection. You could use your Microsoft Defender tool. For that, you can use a quick run command MRT. Press enter. Give your permission, and this will open up Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Go ahead, click next and do a quick scan. This will take some time to scan all the areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software, and go ahead and do a quick scan. And if you want to do a customized scan, you can also do that from here as well. So I'm choosing this time quick scan, next, and this will begin the scanning your computer. Wait for this scanning to complete 100%, and then it will show up the result here. So by using these three tips, you can maintain your Windows 11 performance to a bit higher level. I hope you will find these three tips really very helpful, and all tech savvy should make this habit. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.